It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 5th of July. I'm James Spann. After several really nice days, moisture will be increasing statewide tomorrow. We'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms statewide. And, of course, we're still watching Tropical Storm Elsa. That's over Cuba this afternoon. Here we go. This is the upper air look. The primary westerly winds aloft are well to the north. We've got flat ridging down here. Pretty standard look. And here's the visible satellite view. The northern half of the state dry, the sky partly to mostly sunny. Moisture levels higher over the southern half of the state, and we've got a few scattered showers and storms south of U.S. 80. And not raining everywhere down there, but a few spots are getting wet. Temperatures remain below average. Nobody griping about that. Mostly upper 80s, around 230. Birmingham at 88. The same for Anniston, Tuscaloosa 89. There's the watch warning map. Most of those advisories have to do with Tropical Storm Elsa. That'll be kind of skirting the west coast of Florida tomorrow. Got a flash flood watch in parts of the Panhandle, but even there, it's not going to rain all day tomorrow. There's the watch warning map around the country. Pretty quiet on this 5th of July. Got several areas where severe storms are possible through tonight, including the southern half of Florida. And then tomorrow, a slight risk, the level 2 out of 5, across much of the Florida peninsula, with Elsa passing just to the west of there. There could be a few isolated brief tornadoes in that area. Also a slight risk of severe storms over the northeast United States, including New York City and Boston, and a marginal risk out across the heartland up into the Great Lakes. And day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk over parts of the northeast U.S. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the west is dry. Amounts for most of Alabama between 1 and 2 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. But as always in summer, your number could vary. In the tropics, we're watching Elsa, the circulation center over Cuba, and weakening. The top winds are down to 60 miles an hour. And really not much change in the thinking here. This will be coming across the extreme eastern Gulf of Mexico, moving into Florida north of Tampa Bay, and then curving up through eastern Georgia and the coast of the Carolinas later this week. And remember, the big effects will be along into the east of that center circulation line. It puts Alabama on the good side, the central Gulf Coast on the good side of the system. The storm surge for Tampa Bay will be about 2 to 4 feet, if this verifies. Maybe 1 to 2 feet over to Indian Pass, but again, west of that, no storm surge problems expected for places like Cape San Blas and Mexico Beach and Panama City and on west. The good news, the rest of the Atlantic Basin really quiet once Elsa gets out of here. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a 594 heat ridge out west. Got the 591 ridge extending in from the Atlantic to the Bahamas. Elsa kind of following the periphery of that. And the system should be just below Tampa Bay tomorrow afternoon. And again, the big impact will be for the peninsula, not the Panhandle. But for Alabama, moisture levels a little higher tomorrow, so we'll see a chance of scattered showers and storms statewide by afternoon, but not really widespread. Highs should be in the mid to upper 80s. Wednesday, Elsa near Savannah, Georgia. And for us, cloudy at times. We'll have scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms, really with an upper trough approaching, not Elsa producing the increase in rain activity, but an upper trough. Same thing on Thursday. More clouds than sun, scattered to numerous showers and storms, highs low to mid-80s. And Friday, warm, humid, chance of scattered showers and storms, the sun out at times, highs mid to upper 80s. And for the weekend, this is Saturday coming off the GFS, and it continues to curiously show lower precipitable water values, but the European says, I don't know. And I think we'll kind of side with that. We'll keep the chance of scattered showers and storms in the forecast over the weekend, and this is Sunday. Highs for Saturday and Sunday should be in the upper 80s. And a week from today, Monday the 12th of July, troughing just to the west. And again, that looks quiet, but don't be shocked if we see scattered showers and storms around a week from today. This is the European showing deeper moisture on that day. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, July 15th. Again, a flat ridge down here and classic summer weather. Warm, humid, a few pop-up storms in the afternoon. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 21st of July. Highs most days, mid to upper 80s. Lows around 70 through mid-month. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook. This is for July 13th. through July 19th, and if this works out, temperatures here would be pretty close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.